are an idiot if you're not watching these three stocks for Wednesday's trading day. Today, this stock exploded over 650% in just a couple of hours. So that means the market is still extremely hot and these three stocks could be the next big move. If you missed the crazy move today on TURB, don't worry because my top stock for tomorrow looks absolutely incredible. And as always, I'll be saving my absolute favorite stock for last, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. First up on the list is the stock that's up over 300% over the last few trading days on AIRE. AIRE is putting in place a pretty awesome looking tightening wedge with a nice higher low forming here off $1.12. What I want to be looking for here for an entry tomorrow is if price pulls back and we see buyers step back in off this higher low off $1.12. If we see price get bought up aggressively to confirm that bottom, there is room here to the upside all the way back to 150 and 180 back into that previous high. Now this thing looks awesome, but of course, as always, no confirmation, no trade. Next up, number 2 is the massive 50% explosion today in after hours on QNRX. Now this thing looks incredible as it tests its 200-day moving average, and if it gets breaking, this thing has a ton of room to the upside. What I want to see happen here is I want to see price get bought up aggressively over $11.30. If we see price then pull back and put in place a clean bottom here off of $10.90, that is the entry opportunity here for the range back up into that previous high to $12.40, then through that high to $15 a share, the upside. Next up and last but not least is the most explosive stock for tomorrow's trading day, and it's actually the one that I gave you just 2 days ago that exploded over 100% at market open. Now before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single night for completely free. So please do me a massive favor and hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now that stock here is the massive mover on ATCH. Over the last 2 days, this thing has put in place a beautiful tightening wedge, and if this thing is breaking back to the upside, it could make a massive move. Now what that looks like here is I want to first see a break of trend, of course, over $1 a share. If we find strength over that dollar level, then look for pullbacks to set up over 90 cents. If we then see buyers come back in to put in place the higher low over 90 cents on the break of trend, we then have room to the upside all the way to 118 and 170, all the way over that previous high. Of course, that's if we break and confirm. Otherwise, no trade. To get access to my entire stock watch list every night, every morning, and to watch me trade these stocks and so many others in real time every single day, and to get alerts, education, chat room access, and so much more. Make sure to claim your 7-day free trial while the market is still insanely hot so you're not left just sitting on the sidelines. And as always, comment down below which one of these 3 stocks is your favorite for tomorrow, what stocks you're watching for tomorrow, and I better see you in that 7-day free trial for another crazy day in the market ahead.